Duty again with my friend. Now we're gonna start. We buy the brand new computer. Nagpipilm ako. Ano, may AI ba tayo? Okay, mag-change na ako to support or ninja. Ano kaya play natin? Sino yung atong leader? Sino yung leader? Number 4, ikaw pa leader, ha?
First blood.
Oh, enemies have been here. Hey, taas tayo. FBI coming on. May enemies ba? May enemies. Hey, may kita akong matbaboy sa... ano number mo? Hey, may baboy sa malapit. Hey. May baboy malapit sa yellow house. At ikaw. Hey, nakaka-time loop ako eh. Eh, alam mo, nakaka-time loop ako pag walang yung ability ko, walang recharge, may cooldown.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Eh, may kalaban. Ay, ikaw ba si number 2? Yung number 2, you better not steal that kill from me. I think this is still number. Yun. Oh. Yo, hey, look what did they
Terminal is almost ready.
Look! Hey, look, kita mo to? Yes. Hey, that's mine. That's not why? Ano ba to? Hey,
The safe
look,
zone is collapsing.
na-teleport ako eh. May pang teleport ako eh. O yung nag-guide sa akin. Eh, nakita mo ko nag-teleport.
Airdrop is coming.
At bakit tayo? Ayun lang ba? Magamulto lang to. Na-member mo yung hide and seek mod?
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Dati. Ayaw nga dati lang. Tira mo ba?
Airdrop has been delivered.
Visit! Visit ko eh. Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Anong layo-layo mo sa akin? Hey! Trade mo sa akin! Eh, ang malapit naman ako ng konti. Hey, kita kita. Hey, sa mountain na katabi mo, na yung malakunting layo sa'yo na mountain, yung nandito. Hey, itong yung may trees. Crazy, oh my God.
Airdrop is coming.
Oo nga, at bakit dito ko yung kotse mo? At wait! Ay, may mga nagpapatayan. It's time for me. Ay, may mas magandang kotse sa akin. Sama-sama sa dito, no?
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
May enemies pa? May enemies pa? No, nakakainis. Hey, may nakita akong mas magandang kotse sa kotse mo. Nakita mo na yung truck? Okay, punta na tayo sa kotse natin. Ako yung mga nagbabarel. Akin to. Yan mo po. Eh, may kalaban ba tayo? Nakin yun ako.
Changing mag. Enemy
Kill, akin kill yun.
airdrop is coming.
Igamit natin yung bomba. Naka-trick shot na ako gamit yung smoke grenade. Hey! Doon tayo! Hey! Hindi yan naman mag-hit. Okay.
Airdrop has been delivered. Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tag.
Where are you?
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Wait lang eh.
Changing back. Cover me. Reloading.
Lockdown.
Airdrop is coming.
Tag has been dropped.
Changing back. Cover me.
Your teammate has been killed. Get
Reloading.
the dog tag and help him return to the battle.
O pani, sino nakapatay? I-save natin sila. I-save natin sila.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Airdrop has been
Ba sila? Ayaw nga, AI. Ayan. Ayaw nga.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Hey, we'll go heal them and I will go get maybe at hey, isisave mo silang dalawa. Sama-sama sila. Hey, ako yung magbibigay ng item sa kanila. Okay. Layo. Hey, I think hindi natin kaya masave si number 1.
Airdrop is coming.
Ay, layo. Hey, walang chance natin masave sila. Kasi tiro mo how lapit sila doon.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Airdrop has been delivered.
Eh, hindi lang ba 1?
Enemies have been here.
Wala na yung si number 1. How did you... Hey. Paano... Wait, father faster. Okay, ano gagawa natin? How many kills mo, hey? Yung totoo.
Okay lang, binibigyan pa ako sa patingin, diba?
Pero nga, nasaan ako sa comment mo. Ay, nakaka-teleport ako, no?
Chip terminal is almost ready.
With that, you killed that. Yes, I killed them. Hey, isabi mo nga
Your team needs some revive flight. The safe zone is collapsing.
The airdrop is coming.
Smoke mamawat. Eh, alam mo, 6 smoke bombs. What, 8, 9?
Airdrop has been delivered. Down to the last 5 teams. The last revive flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Baboy, sino, ayaw nga ni-revive ka ni Hey. Ano yung gagwapo natin? Parkour master ako. Magaling ko mag-parkour.
Uy! Paano tayo makakaano?
Number 2, kaya mo to ha. Number 2, try mo to igawa by yourself.
Nasaan ka?
Gawa ka.
Your teammate has been killed.
Second round. Ano yung tip mo natin? Ano yung
Dapat
tip?
manalo siya.
Oo nga, pag hindi nanalo,
Go.
mag-almoni gagawa ko. Second round natin. Second round natin. Go! Go! Number 2, go! Number 2, go!
Bigyan mo lang ako online.
Ano naman open?
Dun mo.
Hindi ko masakit eh.
May ice.
Gusto mo lang makatulog. Alam ko yung trick mo. Hey! Hey! Ay, naku, kalaban natin. Ay, tayo ko tumarace. Uy, ang galing ko mag-race. Click na, parang kill. Ay, kalong.
The EMP drone is ready.
Ay, kayo ng drone. Iyan. Iyan ko ng drone.
Welcome to Battle Royale. The
Correct.
match is about to start.
Hey, ano yan?
Time for the mission. Get ready.
What I did.
Akala mo na mamamatay ka sa hindi pa start. Ay, revive ka dito. Please. Lakas ko. Tawag. Gee! I don't have long range.
Command here.
Yeah! Ano yung spawn nyo, guys? Ano yung spawn mo?
First blood.
Ano mo? Verify. I gave it a last oh, come on.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. The safe zone is collapsing.
Pusa ka! Sino yun?
Be careful. A poltergeist is active.
Ulap.
Engaging the enemies. Changing mag.
Bisit yun. Ay, nakakainis. Di ba siya? Parang bisit. Nakakainis yun.
Feel ko babarili na lang din kita.
EMP
Ay,
drone is ready.
kalaban natin. Kalaban ko, ikaw. Kayong dalawang kalaban ko parang. Nalas natin yung chance makalipad. Wala akong
Airdrop is coming.
ibang place kung nasan yung helicopters, airplane at hindi ko alam rin.
The revived flight will
I
arrive
need
in
a
1 minute.
kill. So please, let me get the kill. To get some promises.
Reloading.
Ay, ikaw.
Airdrop has been delivered. Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
Ay, shit. Ay, shit. Dalawa, tatlo.
Reloading. Cover me.
Two kills. Madami pa. Eh, meron pa eh. Akin yun ha. Meron. Hindi, yung isang red. Ulo-solo siya. Alam ko yung drone na
EMP
kakaano.
drone is ready.
Ay, mas maganda pag K9 minions eh. Ay, same lang pala.
Changing mag.
Ikaw ba yung nagpatay? Ano ba number
Airdrop is
mo?
coming.
Ayan yung number mo. Number ano? Ang number mo, hulaan mo. Hey, gusto mo lumipad? Hey, gusto mo lumipad? Hey, may kotse. Hey, gusto mo ng kotse? Hey, bili
The
tayo ng
revived flight
kotse.
will arrive in 1 minute.
Ano ba yung kotse mo? Eh, ano yung kotse? Hey, pero ano yung kotse? Motorcycle.
The EMP drone is ready.
Airdrop is coming. Reloading. Cover me.
The EMP drone is ready. The revived flight will arrive.
Hey! Isabi mo kung nakita mo yan. May nakita ka bang smoke grenade? Malapit ka ba? Saan? Eh, ikaw ba si number 2?
Airdrop is coming.
Number 1? Number 3? Ano ka? Ako si number 4 eh. Kung hindi mo kaya mapuli ko number 3. Hindi kayong dalawa.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Airdrop has been delivered.
Uy, lucky ako. Hey! May kotse na tayo.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Ano? No, hindi lang sniper. May ibang gun. Hindi lang sniper. May sniper naman ako. Ay, ikaw pala yun. Eh, ano kills? How many kills? Bakit? Oh, you don't have any kills?
Airdrop is coming.
But I know you. Naku. Ano kaya kala natin? Hey, malayo ka ba? Ay, ikaw layo.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Shit, hindi ko kaya makiko.
EMP drone is ready. Airdrop has been delivered.
Hindi ko rin kaya. Ang dami kong kailangan igawa sa'yo.
Oh, save me!
Hey, I can't. Wait lang. Wait lang, ipapatake yung enemy. After this, I will try to save you.
You can!
Sniper yung backup. Yeah! Kasi sila ko kapwet. At bright. Finally save you.
Airdrop is coming.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I can save you. Bye. No, I'm not talking about that.
Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tag and help them return to the battle. The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Ayaw ko naman kuha ka ng dab. Ayaw ko may kuha ikaw ng dab. Ayaw ko naman makukuha ng dab with voice eh.
No?
Ayaw ko makakakuha ng dab. Dab.
Dub!
Dab.
Dub!
Oo, dab. Up pro saying like he a win. Nag-leave ka na?
Chip terminal is almost ready.
No.
The EMP drone is ready.
May kalaban ba? That,
Reloading.
namatay ka na.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Airdrop is coming.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
about that.
The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Changing mag, cover me.
It's Mr. Dominic. Oh shit, though. Save ka lang mag-save siya muna.
The EMP drone is ready.
Reloading, cover me.
No go. Oh no.
Down to the last 5 teams.
Hey, na-escape mo ba ako? Ng konti? Hey, naka-escape ako ng hindi useful team. Naka-escape ako in the dumbest way ever. What
Airdrop
is
is coming.
that, Damen? That's good.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Enemies have been here.
Airdrop has been delivered. Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory.
Uy, galingan mo.
Kulo naman yung bag ko. Ay. Ay, shit. Mali. Wala kami. Oo. Bakit hindi ako last time? Man, mag-end.